I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to change the controller vibration intensity in Marvel Rivals. Step 1. Launch Marvel Rivals on your computer or gaming console. You'll land on the Marvel Rivals home screen. Step 2. Click the settings icon in the top right corner of this screen. A menu opens. Step 3. Click Settings again. The settings screen is displayed. Step 4. Click Controller in the menu at the top of the screen to open a submenu, and then click General in this submenu. Display options are shown on the lower part of the screen. Step 5. Find Vibration Intensity in this menu. Adjust the vibration intensity up if you want to make the controller vibration more intense. Alternatively, if you want to reduce the controller vibration while playing Marvel Rivals, you can turn the vibration intensity down. Your changes will be saved and applied immediately. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.